But as long as you realize that you're only accountable to yourself, and you are totally responsible for your own happiness, and you only need to suffer as long as you decide you need to suffer. If it's really in your path and you really want to continue suffering, you can continue suffering, but you don't. You can today just go, okay, I'm done. You can't control outside circumstances, but you can control your reaction to those circumstances, and you can always control what's going on here, how you feel about yourself. You are 100% in control of how you feel about yourself, all the time. And that's why it's so powerful, the God meditation, universe meditation. When you sit there and you just listen and you cut out all the shit and you start connecting with source energy, with your higher self, holy fuck, you get to a place of peace and love and joy, and you realize that, you know, you can feel that you're infinite. It's there waiting for you. All the answers are within us. Everything. We have everything inside of us. We are it. We are the source energy that's created all of this. It's all us. Okay, so when you realize that, when you're still in the body and you realize you're all of it, the consciousness that you are, right, is it. Then you can really start to live. So much shit going on. It's just hard with all these distractions, you know. It's hard to tune out all the noise and tune in. This is why we have to have that as a practice, to tune into ourselves and really connect and really feel what needs to happen, what change needs to happen, what we have to do. That's where the real fun is at, the real journey.